Because Christy don't use spicy. Why use spicy with spaghetti? Now you're taking everything out of your spaghetti. Eh?
Yup.
Okay,
Her didn't taste right.
Do you ring? Yeah. Do you sister?
It didn't taste right.
I never eaten it before, so I wouldn't
Yes,
know.
you did in Florida.
I did? Oh,
I'm
her
Marine.
spaghetti was different.
Yeah, it didn't
Like
taste
she
right.
mixed a whole bunch of stuff with it.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
didn't
And I
taste
wasn't used to
right.
that, so yeah.
That's
It
why
didn't
we
taste
said,
right.
cause everybody cook it. We all cook the
And
same
then
way.
she had
But
me make mine my own. And I made mine like yours. And mine came out good.
why? You gonna eat hers? Forget them. I ain't eating no spicy.
I'm definitely gonna eat hers. I'm not gonna eat theirs.
Mine was better.
Why you gonna eat some
Mine had better flavor, taste good. It was better.
Why
Hers
you gonna eat
didn't taste right.
spicy stuff? We're gonna eat the plain stuff. That's what you get for.
Hers didn't taste
I rather
right.
eat your way, so.
Okay, Quincy cook grit. Who grit you gonna eat? Her or?
Well, she made her grits different, didn't she?
Cause
put that-
spicy.
She put
put
that.
something in there.
No, I told you what she put in. Remember that time when they told you to get Miss Dash?
Oh, that's nasty.
She put that in it and done messed it up.
Oh, that's nasty. That ain't got no taste.
Exactly.
That one ain't got no taste. That's why you don't use.
Remember
nothing.
when we tried it at one time? You made grits and we tried it at one time. And remember it was nasty.
I mean,
We did.
yeah, but
Remember it didn't
I
taste
know,
out
but-
right.
I know, but every time I make grits, I make good grits.
No.
I don't. My grits don't know.
That's not what I'm saying. I said at one time when
Yeah.
they told you to get Miss Dash.
You
You
did.
tried it one time. You made it grits one time, and you put the Miss Dash in it to see how it was. And remember, we tried it. It was nasty. Remember, we tried it one time.
Yeah,
we
but
did.
grits, you don't put nothing in there. You only put the butter and.
Yeah, but what happened with Kimmy? They bought Kimmy. She been seasoned her. We ain't switching up cheese.
Yeah, we ain't. I ain't
Then we eat the grits with cheese.
Yeah.
Anything,
You like that? I did.
No, I tell him Daddy about remember that Miss Dash. That was nasty.
Yeah, I don't like them.
Yeah, it's just like that commercial they all be making ice tea commercial. I said, Christmas I kill what you give us that ice tea.
Yeah, Chris did.
I wanted to try it.
Yeah, but you was in the refrigerator for a long time and get it right out.
It's too much liquor, not enough tea. You can't even taste the tea.
You right for that one.
You didn't even taste the damn tea.
Yeah, I mean, they was like that one. Oh, this thing mad.
Nasty. You couldn't even taste the tea.
Yeah, I wanted to try it.
You couldn't even taste the tea, Chris.
I was gonna take it.
I'm telling you, you couldn't even taste the tea. It was
Yeah, I
How
wanted
many chickens that thing was?
23.
I figured. But that's why I got the big one for me, mommy, daddy, because the three of us.
Mm-hmm. Of
Got
course.
small.
There's two of us, so you know.
Yeah, it's only two of us.
And that's